showed you guys the dumb part. Had a busted flex pipe on a Toyota Camry. Cut that out. About to install the old Auto Schlung one in there now. Got it cut to length. I'm trying to bend this and put that up in there, but it shouldn't be no big deal. Got about another 1/8 of an inch to shove it up on there, and I'm gonna weld it, and that's pretty much that. The new one is welded in there. Not the prettiest welds, but I'm having neck cramps, so that's my excuse for today. But it is definitely in there. Horrible freaking welds, but I mean, not bad for a old car that, you know, just need an exhaust leak fixed cheap for somebody.